Here are 5 fun facts about wildfires you probably didn't know. Fact 1. Most wildfires are started by humans, but lightning can ignite hundreds of fires in a single storm. Fact 2. Some lightning fires don't start right away. They can smolder underground for days before bursting into flames. Fact 3. Wildfires move fast. In extreme conditions, flames can spread as quickly as 14 miles per hour. Fact 4. Fires create their own weather. The heat can form fire tornadoes and generate lightning in the smoke clouds. Fact 5. Despite the danger, some ecosystems depend on fire. Certain plants only release their seeds after being burned. Wildfires are one of nature's most destructive and necessary forces. Do you know any other wildfire facts? Share them below.